All right, we have our carb back here on John's T-Bird. All ready to go. Gonna fire her up here. Get fuel up there, primer, get her going. Okay, so what is wrong here? We have no power. I'll check our battery. Okay, voltage is good. Gonna load test. Ooh, dropped right off. Gonna check this terminal because it does have a little corrode. All right, cleaned off the terminal. Much better. All right, now we can try it. All right. Now she cranks. A little fuel up to this carb. Right off the bing bang. Whoop. All right, float's got to come down a little bit in the back. But man, she fired right up. All right, running. A little grumpy. Had too much choke. Definitely too much choke. Let's give her a little more